Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Code Sofa, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So, in last video, we saw about some of the stuff like if else and else if, what are they? So, do check out the video to get some information about those things. And in today's video, we'll having a look about some of the operators, which are the conditional operators, and the other one are the logical operators. So, these conditional operators we guys know pretty much because those are really simple ones. That is the not here. We'll start from here. There's are the greater than, there is the less than, then it comes greater than or equals to, and less than or equals to, and there is also one more that is not equals to, and this is the equals to. So do not get confused about this sign because in programming language this double equals to works as to compare two values. It should be a equals to 10, so it doesn't mean like a is equals to 10. It means that you are assigning this value 10 to the variable a. So this is how the equals to works. So equals to means is an assignment operator, and this double equals to means like, yeah, you are comparing these two values now. So these are the conditional operators in C++, and the logical operators are the and, or, and not. So you guys have heard this term in electronics, something that would be digital electronics or something like that, but these are really different ones. I mean, different in the sense of using it. This one you can't directly write down and when you want to use these operators. So this works pretty much same in both of them. So to use these operators, there are these signs that we'll use. So for and, that is double ampersand. So this denominates the and. For or, there is two pipelines, and for not, you already saw here. So that is the exclamatory sign which denote the not sign. So these are the operators we'll be looking in C++, and let's see how these things work in here. So as we saw the operators, now let's see how it works. So greater than, like it is just used to compare two values. For example, if it is a greater than b, that means we are comparing that if this value is greater than this one or not. Same works with a less than b. If it means like if a is less than b, a greater than or equals to b. That means if the a is greater than b or equals to a. So if, for example, this can be 10 equal greater than equals to 10. For example, if we have assigned these values 10 to each of them for a and b, then this would be the scenario. Then this condition should not go false because, yeah, the a is greater than or equals to b. Same goes for the less than or equals to b, and a not equals to b. So this is pretty much understand that they are not equals to b, and a equals to b. That means both the values are same or not. So these are the pretty much the conditional operators. So yeah, let's see the logical operators. So logical operators are used to compare two different, I would say, the parameters. So for example, if we are comparing a greater than b, and also I want to compare the, like if b is less than c, so at this time we can use the AND operator. So what this AND operator will do, it will compare these two values, and in the form of output, it will, if both these conditions are true, then only we'll get the true output, or else it will go into the false. So whenever you are using AND operator, that means both the condition should be true. Then only you will get the I would say the desired output whichever you are using in the if condition, or else it would go directly into the else. And if we talk about the OR operator, let me grab this thing and this. So if we are talking about the OR operator, that means either or. Either this condition will be true or this. For example, if A is greater than B, or if B is less than C, then do this following stuff. So this condition will work on either of them. So if any of this condition is true, then you will get the if output, or else it will directly go in the else statement. So it is not like both the conditions should be true. Any of them is true, then you can work on that one. So this is why it is called OR, and means both the conditions should be true. So you can remember and equals to true, that means both the condition should true, and or equals to false, that means one of them should be false, then that is the or. And not means simple, you guys know, it just inverse the output. That means you can say A is not equals to B. That means you usually understand like these two values are not same, then do this following, run this following line of program, or else go into the other statement. So this is the very much thing that we'll be doing hands-on in the next video. That is, we'll be doing some hands-on of these things only that we just saw right now. But we'll be putting them into the form of code and see what the output we are getting. So next video probably we'll having a look about the logical operators and the conditional operators in the our code editor, and let's see what output we are getting. Till that time, take care and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.